Today you're going to take your Chapter 11 vocabulary quiz for social studies. Make sure you put your name, class period, and the date at the top of the page. Here are all the words. I'm going to read down the columns. A. Cotton gin. B. Interchangeable part. C. Patent. D. Capitalism. E. Capital. F. Free enterprise. G. Technology. H. Element. I. Census. J. Turnpike. Column 2. K. Canal. L. Luck. M. Reveal. N. Region. O. Sectionalism. P. Monopoly. Q. Seed. R. Interstate commerce. S. Intense. And T. Internal. Number 1. This is a part of a machine or device that can be replaced by another identical part. Number 2. This is the official count of a population. You take it every 10 years in the United States. Number 3. Rivalry based on the special interests of different areas. Number 4. This is a part of a larger whole. Number 5. This word means within the country. Number 6. This is money or other resources that are used to create wealth. Number 7. This is a road that you have to pay to use. Number 8. This is a word that means very strong. Number 9. This is economic activity taking place between two or more states. Number 10. This word means to transfer control of something. 11. This word means to show. Number 12. In a canal, separate compartments with gates at each end are used in which water levels rise and fall in order to raise or lower boats. Number 13. This is an economic system in which people and companies own the means of production. Number 14. This is a market where there's only one provider of a good or service. Number 15. This is the use of scientific knowledge for practical purposes. Number 16. This is an artificial waterway, man-made waterway. 17. This is a type of economy where people and businesses are free to buy, sell, and produce whatever they want within a minimum of government intervention, meaning the government interferes very little. Number 18. A machine that removes seeds from cotton fibers. Number 19. This is an area defined by a feature or characteristic. And number 20. This is the sole legal right to an invention and its profits.